We're here at 2840 Liberty Avenue here in Pittsburgh. And Gary's here with me. Yeah. So he's gonna check to make sure the machine room is not locked.
Lights on in there. Yeah, so this was installed in 1999. It's
330A.
Low pitch Schindler. Otis works on this, that's why it hasn't been updated. They've worked on this since I think they go 04.
It's kind of cool. Nice.
This one has a good motor to it. Oh, I'm here now. Oh, go ahead.
Man. So that's a nice historic break here, brother.
Yeah, so they replaced this in 99, but you can tell once you get down to the bottom here. There used to be a back door on it at some point, because you can see, especially over here, you can see like the shadowing on the bottom here where the rails used to be for the old freight doors.
Yes.
And you can see the original outline of it.
Just reload stuff. Let's go up again.
Go up again.
Nice. Perfect timing. Say another one. Man, I like the chime. Look at the ceiling, you see high. This is Jared.
Yes, hi.
Got a nice elevator. There is a certificate.
Actually, this was 2002, not 99. 2002.
So this is a 330A.
Yeah. Well, center speed, we couldn't be at 321 because the jack has to go behind the panel.
Yeah.
They can't do that on a center opening.
Every time. There goes the elevator. Hi.
Yeah, you can tell here as well different shadings of bricks.
And I guess that is going to be it for me.